Well, hello there, little ones. Welcome back to the St. Joseph's Corner channel. Today we're going to talk about what is a covenant. Now, if you're new here, hi, my name's Joseph. I'm your host. So where does the word covenant come from? Well, we can open up our Bibles to Genesis chapter 6, verse 18. And if you can, go ahead and read along with me. Then the Lord said, "But I will establish a covenant with you. Go into the ark, you and your sons, your wife, and the wives of your sons." Okay, today we're going to learn a very special word from the Bible. It's called a covenant. Can you say that with me, Kavina? Great job. Kavina is a very special promise, a holy agreement between God and his people. It's not just any promise. It's a promise made out of love, and God always keeps his promises. In the Bible, God made many covenants with people he loved. Let's look at some of them together. 1. Noah's covenant. The rainbow God made a covenant with Noah. He promised never to flood the whole earth again. And do you know what he gave as a sign of that promise? A rainbow. Every time we see a rainbow, we can remember God's love and faithfulness. 2. Abraham's covenant. A big family God made a covenant with Abraham, promising that he would be the father of a big family, so big, it would be like the number of stars in the sky. That family became the people of God. 3. Moses' covenant. The 10 Commandments God made, a covenant with Moses, and gave him the 10 Commandments rules to help people live in love and peace. If they followed God's ways, they would be God's special people. But the greatest covenant of all is the one God made through Jesus. Jesus gave his life on the cross so we could be close to God forever. At the Last Supper, he said, "This is the new covenant in my blood." That means Jesus made the ultimate promise of love with his very own life. So what does this mean for us? It means we are part of God's covenant family. God promises to love us, care for us, and be with us always. And we promise to love him and live the way Jesus taught us with kindness, truth, and faith. God's promise is true. God's love is for you. He keeps his word in all we do. So now you know. A covenant is a holy promise of love between God and his people. And guess what? You're part of that promise. Let's thank God together. Dear God, thank you for always keeping your promises. Help me to love you and follow you every day. I'm happy to be part of your covenant family. Amen. Thanks for joining me today, my little friends. Remember, God's promise is forever and you are deeply loved. See you next time. And that's going to do it for our lesson today. Hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss an exciting episode. And you can also become a covenant member. It means whenever we release a brand new video, you get access to it before anyone else. So make sure to click that button. We'll see you next time. Bye.